All right, and the last video we're going to look at for this section in the homework is we're going to look at a little bit of factor by grouping. And this is a step that you do in the AC method. So it will be 4 terms. Originally this would look like 8x squared minus 88x plus 3x minus 33. And so the first step in factor by grouping is you group the first 2 terms, okay? And you can pull out an 8x, okay? And then whatever this sign is, you bring that on down. And then you group the second 2 terms, the 3x and the 33, and they have a greatest common factor of a 3. Now, if you do this correctly, then you'll have the x minus 11 the same in both of those. And so there's the four terms. So in this section, they kind of don't quite do the factor by grouping. They've done the first step for you, okay? Now, this one's a little trickier, but your greatest common factor here is x minus 11, okay? So we're going to factor out an x minus 11. And you could take each term and divide by x minus 11. So if we took the 8x times x minus 11 over x minus 11, you notice you have the same factors of x minus 11. So if you want to play the exponent rule game, you can, or you can just say, oh, well, those are going to absorb, and you're left with 8x. Plus, now we can do the same thing, 3 and then x minus 11 over x minus 11. And again, the x minus 11s would absorb, and you're left with 3. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Now, if we look at the last one here again, so it's not quite all the way factor by grouping. We're going to go ahead and find our GCF. So our GCF is 13t minus 2. So if we factor the 13t minus 2 out, we're removing that. So essentially what's left is 13t and minus 20. Okay. Okay. So that's it for this video. Just very, very quick. So we're leaving. Technically, this is not quite factor by grouping, but this is one of the steps in factor by grouping. All right, we'll see you next.